power on those wheels? What's going on? I mean, blinkers are on, I get it. But, geez.
Did he think he was going to run into a pothole?
No, I think he might have given too much gas. He might have way too much power back there, and I mean, he's drifting all over, too.
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Maybe flipping or something.
I'm telling you, I think he's got too much wheels. Or his tires are slick. His tires are slick. Yeah. And so he's not meant to be. No, that's why he's got his blinkers on and
In a half mile, take exit 74B for Tennessee
slow down then.
or Lebanon, Knoxville.
That's why we look at that bumper.
Yeah. I think his car's just going to go side out from under him.